Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps so I'm going to just open a new project, and here I'm going to just find a video from the CapCut library. Let's just use this. Okay, this one for example. You can tap on add, and in here at the end of the video there will be this CapCut ending or watermark. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on it and then tap on delete. But if you want to remove it entirely or permanently, so every time you start a new project there won't be any watermark, you can go to me or your profile, click on the settings, and here under the preferences there will be add default ending. Just disable that option, tap on discard. So let's try to open the project again, a new project. Okay, I'm going to just use this one's right here. Let's just use this one, click on add. So at the end there will be any CapCut watermark again. So here I'm going to export. For example, you can see that CapCut will now have that watermark. So I get 7 days of free watermark now. So if it's the quota is running out, you can just use this trick. You can click on export. Okay, let's try to open the other projects. Let's click on this one's right here. So when you click on export, there will be this option. So you can just see this, that the remove watermark is free for now, but after it's gone you can just use this trick. You can just click on save and save and share to TikTok. So when it will be open on TikTok, there will be no watermark. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.